I did a video some months back on how to use multi-view in OBS. A lot of people have messaged me, DM'd me, even commented, please I should do for vMix also. So this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use multi-view in vMix. Stay tuned. Don't forget my name, Joseph Velasquez. This is Extensive All. Alright, so this is my vMix here, vMix 28. So let's just go straight into the video. Then I'm just gonna quickly go to the settings of it real quick, and then in the settings I'm gonna show you this full screen one is for the display 2. That's the display 2. Okay, let me show you my system real quick, just in case you are wondering how the whole system is. This is the system I'm using over here, TUF Gaming. The system at my workplace is really good. It's really good, TUF Gaming. This is the 2 screens right here. Screen 1, screen 2. That's display 1, display 2. I'm streaming, display 1, display 2 over here. So if you check the back of it also, you can see the back of it. This is the first display 1, this is the second display 2. I can plug in another one there. I can plug in another one here. That's up to 4 outputs. That's up to 4 outputs actually. Because it has 3 display ports, 2 HDMI. Sorry, 2 DisplayPort, 2 HDMI. Yes, the 2 DisplayPort is what I used to connect my normal monitor 1, the normal one I'm using. Then I plug in another monitor 2, which I can use for my multi-view. And then I have 2 other space, 2 other ports where I can plug in, for monitors outside for the audience. Maybe this one is for stage, and then this one is for the audience out there. Yes, that is how the system is. So let's go back into the video. So now in the settings over here, I think you understand now when I say in the settings, the full screen 1 is display 2. So when I click on full screen 1, it's going to my second screen display 2. Now full screen 2 will be display 3. That is the other one, the audience, which is going out there. Okay, so let me quickly show you the specifications of this system. This system specifications. This is the system specifications over here. It's called i7 9th Gen 3.6 GHz. That's gigahertz. And then the memory, we have 32 gig RAM. You can see the system is 32 gig RAM, and also it has a dedicated graphics card. This is a dedicated graphics card here, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070, which is having 8 gig dedicated graphics card. That is a really powerful system. That's what I'm using for this interface right now. Okay, my full screen 1 now, remember, is display 2. That's the second monitor that I'm using for my multi-view. So if we come to options over here, we'll change this full screen 1, which is in display 2, to multi-view. The full screen 1 display 2, which is the second screen that I'm having. I want to turn it to the multi-view. Yes, that will be in the multi-view, and then that will leave the full screen 2 in output, which is the display 3, the other output we have for the stage, for the screen outside there. Yes, now we'll go to customize layout. We want to customize our multi-view will be, this is how it will be. This is 8 preview output 8, or you want to have 16 orders. You understand? So now customize layout, and then you'll see you can leave this one as it is over here. You can leave this one as it is, and then click on enable, click to select input. So that way if you click the input, is going to select it. We can leave this as 1 and leave this the way it is, then click on OK. Yes, I want to click on OK. It's gonna go. Sorry, my lights kind of went out, so I had to do this voiceover without my video. So I added some input to my vMix, so you can see the multi-view on the screen, the way it's gonna be like. If I click it, it's gonna show in the preview. The more I click anyone, the more it shows in preview. But just know that if you click on it, it can't show to your output. It's just gonna show to your preview. If you want to go to your output, you can either use shortcuts or you can use your fade and cut on your system. So let's show you how to do the shortcut quickly. If you go to settings, shortcuts, you can check templates for keyboard. If you have a keyboard template here, this is a default, just apply it, and then that's all basically. If you have any other controller you have, you can just check for the templates for the controller you have. So this is for my keyboard, and if I click A, you see this for input 1. If I click S, this key here, ASDFG, these keys here are for cuts, to cuts input 1 2 3 4 to the program. This Z key is for fade, and then this Q WRTY is for preview. So preview, Q is for input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4. You can see it over here, 1 2 3 4 previewing, and this is cutting it 1 2 3 4, and then this is fading it 1 2 3 4. Exactly how it is. That's shortcuts we can use, and you can see our multi-view over here, and then any outputs we have. Though I like to use this one number pads over here, it's more easier for me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's more easier for me. But then you can use the custom overlay, or you can edit it to the way you want it. And this is how you do your multi-view in vMix. Screen 1, screen 2. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.